Every country has an army, but in Pakistan, it's often said the army has a country. Let's break this down, because when it comes to the Pakistan army, things go way beyond just defense. While this army has never really won a war, its generals walk around with chestfuls of shiny medals. Since its birth after separating from India, Pakistan has constantly used the Kashmir issue as an emotional tool to distract its people, and once again, we are seeing the same old strategy play out, linking Pakistan to the Pahalgam terror attack. On April 16, Pakistan's Army Chief General Asim Munir made a fiery speech. He called Kashmir Pakistan's jugular vein and claimed that Hindus and Muslims are completely different. Just 6 days later, a terrorist attack took place in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, where innocent Hindus were targeted and killed. Coincidence? Many experts think not. Why would Pakistan do this now? Because things inside the Pakistan army are falling apart. Reports say there is a growing discontent within the ranks. A leaked letter titled The Guardians of Honor exposed how lower and mid-level officers are accusing General Munir of corruption, incompetence and misuse of power. They are even demanding his resignation. It's being compared to the 1971 situation when Pakistan lost East Pakistan, which became Bangladesh, losing grip on Balochistan. Let's talk about Balochistan, a province that's been fighting for independence for decades. Today it's practically out of the army's control. Groups like Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan and Baloch rebels are giving the military a tough time. And amidst all this chaos, the army once again tries to shift focus by stirring tensions in Kashmir. An army that does business, not battle. Pakistan's economy is in shambles. But guess who is doing just fine? The Pakistan army. They run over 50 major businesses, from petrol pumps and bakeries to cement factories and banks. Their total business empire worth more than 1.5 lakh crore rupees. Money in Swiss banks. According to reports, 25 former Pakistani army officers have secret Swiss bank accounts holding around 80,000 crore rupees. These are undeclared assets, money that belongs to the powerful elite, not the people. Land empire. They own land worth even 2 lakh crore rupees, and yes, they even run a pizza chain and are accused of being involved in illegal drug trade. Global pressure mounts. General Munir is also in trouble internationally. The US and UK are increasing legal pressure, cutting aid and even proposing bans against him. As things get worse at home and abroad, Pakistan's army is once again turning to its old playbook, terrorism in Kashmir, to deflect attention. But this time, the world is watching. After the recent Pahalgam attack, the global community is reacting strongly. 26 people lost their lives. World leaders from the US and Russia to Israel are standing with India against terrorism. So while Pakistan's army faces growing problems from within and around, one thing is clear. Stirring violence in Kashmir is just a distraction from their own failures. But this time, the world isn't buying it. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.